Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ryan from Team Saiko, and today we're going to try something a little bit different. Today, we're going to try and paint a body. Now, I know there's probably a bunch of YouTube videos out there on how to paint the body correctly or incorrectly or whatnot. There's no video out there that's done by me. I'm just kidding. I'm by no means a professional painter. I'm still learning, but you know, that's why we're here. We're here to learn, have fun, and hopefully not to mess up. By the way, sorry about the lighting conditions. If it's a little junk or a little bit dark, it's nighttime if you can't tell. Just finished work. Kind of really want to get it done. Forecast says that it's supposed to storm this weekend. So yeah, it's cold, it's windy, not ideal conditions to paint, but we're going to try and get it done anyway. So hopefully it comes out good, and let's get to it. Alright, so pretty much this is all you need right here to paint your car. Minus the GoPro. That's for me. That's for, yeah, first person view, all that good stuff. So we're gonna start off with our body. It's a Pandora RC GZX 100 Chaser, courtesy of Super G. Shout out to Super G. Got it out to me before Christmas, before New Year's. I know they got smashed with Black Friday sales and orders and whatnot, but they got it out to me. So it's all chopped up, taped up, and whatnot. Want to make sure your body is clean. Wash it with soap, water, dry it, tape all the windows. Quick tip, by the way, too. My boy, he advised me not to use the Pandora window sticker sheet that comes with the kit. I learned the hard way. Another body that I did, it was so hard to get the adhesive off. It was a complete nightmare. But yeah, painter's tape will do wonders, will do just fine. Next, we got our paint. PS. Polycarbonate. Do not use the TS, because if you do, you're going to mess up your paint. If you crash into a wall or anything like that, it's going to flake. It's going to peel. It's going to be utter, complete nightmare. We're going to attempt to shoot this. This is the first time I ever shot it, or going to shoot it. Sky blue anodized aluminum. You can pick it up from your local hobby store, I'm pretty sure. For me, it's Hobbytat. Shout out to Hobbytat. And then, optional, but I like to use it, heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can always use a blow dryer. All this is for is just to flash the paint after you spray a coat, so that it makes it faster to add more coats and paint. Alright, so without further ado, let's get cracking.
Days later,
and we're back. So we're gonna finish up the body. It's day 2. Today we're just gonna focus mostly on the window trim. As you can see, the window trim is still taped up and everything like that. Some flaws. That's the downside to painting in the dark, which I said. Make sure your painting conditions and everything like that is good. But yeah, I don't know if you could see, but I got some runs, man. Mostly because this paint, it's pretty transparent when you shoot it. So if you don't have real good lighting, you can't really see what's going on until after everything is done. But as for like the rear bumper, came out freaking super cherry. It's a blue anodized look. It looks real good. So pretty much there's a bunch of different ways, I guess, or maybe not the bunch, but a couple ways that I know that you can do the window trim. My way is handy dandy X-Acto knife, and all we're gonna do is just cut along the lines right over here. I'm gonna hook up the GoPro so you guys can see it, but yeah, that's all we're gonna do, and then paint it black and go from there. Okay, so pretty much after I peeled off the clear film, the protective film, the paint is actually kind of bad. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see. You see those water spots right there? That's because I didn't wipe it down after I rinsed it off, which was terrible on my part. But hey, like I said, we're all learning. So pretty much, I mean, everything other than that, I mean, it came out pretty cherry, but so main things is you want to make sure before you paint your body, make sure it's clean, make sure everything is cut perfect, because you don't want anything hanging over where the paint will drip on it or whatnot. Make sure the painting conditions is great as well. Don't want to be painting in the dark, don't want to be painting in the cold or in the windy area, you know what I mean? I mean, well ventilated obviously, but yeah, this is pretty much just going to be my drift missile body, I guess, for now. But I mean, other than that, the color came out pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. It's the first time I ever painted it, so but still learning, we're all still learning. So that's gonna do it for this video. Part 2 is gonna be me painting and installing the Fused RC roll cage. Fuse is one of our sponsors. I'd like to thank them for the roll cage. I'm not sure what version it is, maybe a version 3 or I think, but stay tuned for that. If you enjoy this content, by all means, click the subscribe button, like the video, give us some feedback in the comments below. We greatly appreciate it. I know I'm probably going to get creamed about how to paint and how not to paint and how to cut and how not to cut, but you know, constructive criticism. But anyway, see you guys in the next one. Shoots!